Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to grow your business within no time. Whether you're a new business owner or an established one looking to expand, these tips will help you achieve your goals quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Define your target audience. The first step in growing your business is defining your target audience. Knowing who your customers are and what they need will help you create marketing strategies that resonate with them. Conduct market research and analyze data to identify your ideal customer profile and tailor your marketing efforts accordingly. Step 2. Optimize your online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business. Make sure your website is user-friendly, visually appealing, and optimized for search engines. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to reach out to potential customers and engage with your existing ones. Step 3. Focus on customer service. Excellent customer service is the key to building a loyal customer base. Make sure your team is well trained in customer service and responds promptly to customer queries and complaints. This will not only improve customer satisfaction, but also increase the chances of repeat business. Step 4. Collaborate with other businesses. Collaborating with other businesses can help you expand your reach and grow your customer base quickly. Look for businesses that share your target audience and collaborate on marketing campaigns, events, or promotions. This will help you tap into new markets and increase your visibility. Step 5. Offer incentives and rewards. Offering incentives and rewards is a great way to incentivize repeat business and attract new customers. You could offer discounts, referral programs, loyalty rewards, or other promotions to encourage customers to keep coming back. This will not only increase sales, but also improve customer satisfaction. That's it for today's video on how to grow your business within no time. We hope you found these tips useful and can apply them to your business. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.